Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your sleeping area in our Mercedes Midwest Daycruiser. In our Daycruiser, to utilize your sleeping area, you'll have to fold down the two-person jackknife couches. To do that, simply locate the strap near the center, lift and pull, and then for the other couch, you'll do the same exact thing of lifting and pulling, and then give it a simple push down, and now you have your sleeping area. The size of the sleeping area is 48 by 68 inches across. Thank you for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.